Welcome back to Prime Picks USA, where we bring you honest reviews of the best products available on Amazon. Today, we are checking out the top 5 best bread makers that make it easy to bake fresh, homemade bread right in your own kitchen. These machines offer multiple baking programs, consistent results, and convenient features for beginners and experienced bakers alike. Let us get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. KBS Pro 710W2LB Bread Maker, Stainless Steel 17-in-1 Smart Bread Machine with healthy ceramic pan, automatic nut dispenser, tempered glass touch panel, 3 crust colors, 15H timer and keep warm, recipes. The KBS Pro Bread Maker is designed for home bakers who want flexibility, automation, and consistent results. With a powerful 710-watt motor, this machine handles a wide range of bread recipes, from basic white bread to whole wheat and specialty loaves. This model offers 17 preset programs, allowing users to prepare different types of bread, dough, cake, jam, yogurt, and more. The smart programming makes it easy to select the right cycle without manual adjustments. A standout feature is the automatic nut and fruit dispenser. It releases ingredients at the optimal time during kneading, ensuring even distribution without crushing nuts or dried fruit. This helps improve texture and flavor consistency. The ceramic-coated bread pan provides a healthier non-stick surface and is easy to clean. It also supports even heat distribution for uniform baking. The machine supports loaf sizes up to 2 pounds, making it suitable for families or meal prep. The tempered glass touch panel offers clear visibility and responsive controls. Users can choose from 3 crust color options to customize the final result. A 15-hour delay timer allows bread to be ready at a scheduled time, while the keep warm function maintains freshness after baking. Overall, the KBS Pro Bread Maker delivers strong performance, advanced features, and user-friendly controls for those who want versatile home baking with minimal effort. Number 2. Cuisinart Bread Maker Machine, Stainless Steel Automatic Bread Machine with 12 menu options, 3 loaf sizes up to 2 pounds, 3 crust colors, removable non-stick baking pan and kneading paddle, CBK110 NIS. The Cuisinart CBK110 Bread Maker is built for simplicity, reliability, and consistent baking results. Its stainless steel exterior gives it a clean and modern appearance that fits well in most kitchens. This bread machine includes 12 preset menu options, covering popular bread types such as white, whole wheat, gluten-free, and artisan styles. The preset cycles take the guesswork out of baking and help deliver dependable results. The machine supports 3 loaf sizes up to 2 pounds, making it flexible for different household needs. Users can also select from 3 crust color settings, allowing customization based on personal preference. A removable non-stick baking pan and kneading paddle make cleanup simple. The pan is designed to release bread easily after baking, reducing sticking and tearing. The control panel is straightforward and easy to navigate, making this machine suitable for beginners and experienced users alike. A viewing window allows users to monitor the baking process without opening the lid and disrupting temperature. The compact design helps save counter space while still offering full-size loaf capacity. Overall, the Cuisinart CBK110 Bread Maker provides dependable performance, ease of use, and versatile baking options for everyday homemade bread. Number 3. Naretpa Bread Maker, 20-in-1 2LB Bread Machine Dual Heater and Non-Stick Ceramic Pan Bread Makers Machine All-Metal Compact for Gluten-Free /Dough Maker /Meat Floss Jam Yogurt Bread Maker Recipe Light Green. The Naretpa Bread Maker is designed for home users who want professional-style baking results in a compact and durable machine. Its all-metal exterior provides a sturdy feel while maintaining a sleek appearance that fits well on modern kitchen countertops. This bread machine includes 20 preset programs that cover a wide range of baking needs. These programs support standard white bread, whole wheat, gluten-free recipes, dough preparation, jam making, yogurt, and specialty options like meat floss. This variety allows users to prepare more than just bread using one appliance. A key feature of this model is the dual heater system. Heating elements positioned for top and bottom baking help distribute heat evenly throughout the loaf. This improves crust consistency and ensures the bread is evenly baked from edge to center. The ceramic-coated non-stick bread pan offers a healthier alternative to traditional coatings while providing excellent food release. The pan supports loaf sizes up to 2 pounds, making it suitable for families or those who prefer baking larger loaves at once. Digital controls allow users to easily select programs, loaf size, and crust color. The delay timer enables bread to be ready at a specific time, which is ideal for fresh bread in the morning or after work. A keep warm function helps maintain freshness after baking is complete. Overall, the Naretba bread maker delivers advanced heating technology, versatile cooking options, and solid construction for users who want consistent and customizable baking results. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Automatic Bread Maker Machine, digital, programmable, 12 settings plus gluten-free, PFAS-free non-stick pan plus kneading paddle, 2 pounds capacity, black. The Hamilton Beach Automatic Bread Maker is built for simplicity and reliability, making it a practical choice for everyday home baking. Its compact design allows it to fit comfortably on kitchen counters while still supporting full-size loaves. This machine features 12 preset baking programs, including a dedicated gluten-free setting. These programs automatically control kneading, rising, and baking times to help ensure consistent results without manual adjustments. The bread maker supports loaf sizes up to 2 pounds, offering flexibility for different household needs. Users can also select crust color preferences to achieve lighter or darker finishes based on taste. A PFAS-free non-stick baking pan and kneading paddle are included, providing easy food release and simplified cleanup. The pan is designed to promote even baking while minimizing sticking and residue buildup. The digital display and control panel are easy to understand, making this bread maker accessible for beginners. A clear viewing window allows users to monitor the baking process without opening the lid, helping maintain proper internal temperature. The programmable delay timer allows users to load ingredients in advance and have bread ready at a desired time. This adds convenience for busy schedules and meal planning. Overall, the Hamilton Beach Bread Maker offers dependable performance, user-friendly operation, and essential features for those who want homemade bread with minimal effort and consistent results. Number 5. KitchenArm 29-in-1 Smart Bread Machine with gluten-free setting 2lb 1.5 lb 1 lb bread maker machine with homemade cycle, stainless steel bread maker with recipes whole wheat bread making machine. The KitchenArm Smart Bread Machine is built for home bakers who want maximum control and customization. With 29 preset programs, this machine supports a wide variety of bread styles, including gluten-free, whole wheat, and specialty loaves. A unique feature is the homemade cycle, which allows users to manually adjust kneading, rising, and baking times. This level of control is ideal for experienced bakers who want to fine-tune recipes. The machine supports multiple loaf sizes, including 1 pound, 1.5 pound, and 2 pound options. This flexibility makes it suitable for individuals, couples, and families. The stainless steel exterior adds durability and a modern appearance. Inside, the baking pan is designed for even heat distribution and consistent results. Clear digital controls make it easy to navigate programs and customize settings. The included recipe guidance helps users get started while offering room for experimentation. Overall, the KitchenArm bread machine delivers advanced customization, versatile baking options, and reliable performance for both beginners and experienced home bakers. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best bread makers here on Prime Picks USA. If any of these bread makers caught your attention, we have included links in the description where you can check the latest price and details. Make sure to subscribe to Prime Picks USA for more honest product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.